Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and I turn them into delicious dishes. It is my 30th year doing this menu. This year's theme is Latin-esque. It's time for the main course. For Anora, it's Carnivora, a marinated New York strip steak finished with a delicious chimichurri sauce. I didn't know what to expect from Anora. I knew it was about a stripper and a Russian oligarch and that they were in Brooklyn. It turned out to be such a farce and such a kind of romp. A little crazy. Mikey Madison knocked it out of the park. I had seen her on Better Things, Pamela Adlon's show. Well, you could only tell that good things would come after that show because it was chef's kiss. Speaking of chef's kiss, this steak cooked to perfection with the lovely marinade that is so bright and fresh, and it was good enough without the chimichurri sauce, but then you add the chimichurri and holy moly, it is incredible. This, yes, I will be eating the whole thing when I'm done here. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.